what have we here? Oh, 2020 tops. Oh man, the years just keep rolling on, don't they? Seems like just yesterday I was opening 2019 tops. And now another year has passed. I do have the jumbo box, which is going to have one auto and two relics. That's one thing I don't like about tops. I know the hobby boxes are among the more affordable boxes, but I don't like that most of the hobby box, I can't say most. Let me rephrase that for something more factual. I don't like that you either get an auto or a mem card. I think you should get a guaranteed auto in the hobby box. I really do. I know it's not that expensive in the grand scheme of things, but come on, you can get some rookie auto in there. Maybe not a vet auto. I know those guys are a little bit harder to get them to sign, but you could get a rookie auto in there. So that's why I always go for the jumbo box, and obviously it increases the odds of a short print, super short print, and so on and so on. More inserts, more variety, just as good. I may still get a regular hobby box. I'm not entirely sure, but I do have some Walmart retail 2020 top stuff that I actually pre-ordered. When I ordered it online, it said it would be here the 11th, or maybe shipped the 11th. I don't remember, but it should be here soon, hopefully sooner than that. But anyways, enough yappy. It's time to open this. Here's what the box looks like. Oh, yes, Series 1. 10 packs, 46 cards per pack. So we'll probably just kind of breeze through. Packs with special insert may contain only 39 to 44 cards. That's random. Anyways, we're looking at almost 500 cards in here, so I'm not going to read every name of everybody's card this time. Just a bit too much, too long. Nobody wants to try to decipher this southern accent that long, do they? Do ya? But oh, look at that. Oh, I forgot about, look at that. Turkey red, one oversized box loader. Oh, let me get in the light there. Now you can see it. And then two of the hobby exclusive. There, get those in the light too. Chrome packs. It's another good reason for buying the jumbo box. So there's what we're looking at. Big brick O cards. Alright, let's do this. Get you over there. Oh wow. Well, the new design's interesting. No border, which a lot of people do like the border. And there's the back. A little bit on the plain side. I kind of like it. I mean, like any other time, it takes me a minute to kind of process these things. Jay Bruce, there's the first rookie card. Soaking it all in. Subset, I guess. Oh, let me get to our horizontal poses. There's the angels. There is our first parallel. That is, I believe, a gold. Ship for numbering, or is that just like a hollow? Must be, because I don't see any individual numbering. If it was the gold, it'd be numbered to 2020. So there's that. Decade's Best Award winners, Frank Robinson. They're gonna, looks like they've got the reprints again. There's Votto, Is that it for this pack? Actually, let me straighten these up. I'm going to have a huge mess on my hands. Guess that's it for this pack. Let's see. The fun part comes in when you start digging around looking for the short prints. That's a cool shot. That's really cool. There's Alonso, Schwab, Benintendi, and Hernandez. All right, moving on. Ooh, got something really thick in there. Let me sneak a peek. See if that's something. Oh, it is. Huh. I'll hold on to that stack. Let's just hold on to that. Although it's so thick, it kind of reminds me of like one of those pre-made relics. That's the other complaint I had about Topps, the regular hobby boxes, is not, when it says one relic, it could mean, you know, one of the manufactured relics, which I always thought stunk. Future Stars, Nick Senzel, nice. Seth Brown rookie, Gavin Lux rookie, very nice. I like Gavin Lux, really like him. There's the Dodgers team card. Illich. Alright, here we go. Again, looks gold, but I guess not. Am I just overlooking some numbering here? I don't think I am. It's pretty clear. Although I'm known to do it. I don't see anything on the front, but this is Kristen Stewart. Let's look at this real quick. Gold is actually 1 in 5. Rainbow foil. Yeah, that's probably that. Yeah, I think that's that. It looks rainbowish. Decade's Best, Ted Williams. A Soraka reprint. And that's it. Am I crazy, or does it seem like there used to be more in the way of goodies in the middle? It seemed like there were more inserts, which I'm okay if they cut down somewhat on the number of insert sets that they produce in Topps, but I mean, I don't know, it seems a little weird to only have 3 and a stack of, what was it, 46 cards. Alright, Sanchez, there's Acuna, Rosario, Future Star, Paddock, Phillies and Red Sox, Manny being Manny, Manny being money. Alright, now we have one of the home run contest cards, home run challenge of Bregman. So there's that. Looks like another hollow foil of Brad Hand. Oh, nice. Award winners Griffey. And a reprint of Tony Gwynn. So that actually had a little bit more in it. Bregman. Let's get through here. Alvarez rookie. Nice. League leaders subset. Several of those in here. Again. Alright. Let me straighten up. Ugh. We're what? 4 packs in? And this is the stack of cards. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Go ahead and get all of these out. I don't risk any damage digging them out of the bottom. Well, actually, technically, that's only 3 because I opened that one pack and set it aside because it had that super thick relic in there. So that's only 3 packs, and you got a stack like that. Wow. Actually, let's go ahead and look at that. Let's see what this thick baby is. Why wait? Life's too short. Let's do it. Actually, we're already 10 minutes in, so we're gonna go past. We're gonna speed this up and go past all the base. I'll try to update if I get a chance, if I get any short prints after I check for them. Yamamoto rookie parallel, another holofoil. Then I guess this is a short print, Arenado or something numbered. This is red. Yep, that is numbered out of 50. I'm really good at pulling Arenado parallels. Alright, this is congratulations, you received a global game medallion card. Verdugo. Luckily it's Verdugo because I really like him a lot, but this is an example of, this is not an actual relic card. This is a manufactured relic card. But I'll give it to him. This is cool. It's really heavy. It has a lot of weight to it. So it's really nicely made, nicely done. Alright, this is Wins Above Replacement. Lou Gehrig 1930s die cut. Huh. Well, that's cool. A Schwarber reprint. And then I think just more base. Okay. Trying to get one cleanly open pack for my pack collector friend. I know he'll appreciate it. I think this one will do. Yay! Okay. Let's get to the goodies. Oh wow, Ohtani. Still don't have a gold, do we? This is definitely, I think, another holofoil. Are you? Oh, I thought this was my autograph. Still, look at that. I thought this was an autograph. I was about to pass out and you guys were going to come pick me up off the floor. Oh wow. That is the reprint version. Nice, really nice. That's super cool. I know I've already said cool like 50 times. Decade's Best 80s Batters, Wade Boggs, and a Ozzie Smith. I think I'm gonna think everything in here is good just because it seems like I've been waiting a while for Topps to come around again. Obviously, I like most people, I like Chrome better than base Topps, but I mean, when I think of baseball cards, the first brand that comes to mind is always regular Topps, just regular base Topps. That is the standard, the go-to. There is a Topps Now Pujols, another holofoil that is Yelich and Nolan. Is this a gold? It is. There we go. So the gold is really, that's it. It's just, it's a good one to get though. Good rookie. Decade's Next Luzardo rookie card. Nice. And a Pujols reprint. There's Alonso again in the form of league leaders. Alright. So we've got 4 packs. We're still looking for an autograph. I honestly cannot say if we've pulled any variations. Like I said, I'll have to, hopefully I have time to go through these before I post this. We'll see. If not, I'll update on a future video, because I would think in a box this size I'm going to get something. So David Dahl Rainbow. Here is a variation of the reprint Chris Paddock. That is blue. Gavin Lux rookie. What is this? That's really, I'm about to say it again. Topps Choice. That is a good looking card. What year? It seems like this is like a reprint. What year was that from? Man, that is nice. I wouldn't mind owning a whole set that is designed like that. I love that. Wow. Soto reprint. Yeah, I could. Oh man, Topps need to. We need to contact them and give them some feedback. Tell them we need a, not an insert set, a full set that looks like that. Because that is everything. Alright. Alright, more rainbow action, and that is in the form of Garrett Cooper. You have just received an autograph of Patrick Sandoval. So it is a rookie reprint on card auto. It's definitely clean, looks good, well centered, really nice autograph, but the best you could ask for. Unless it was a Mike Trout auto. Decade's Best, Monty Irvin, and Altuve. Alright. Wow, I forgot we've still got the chrome packs and the box topper. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Except for I paid for it and it wasn't a gift. A gift to myself, I suppose. Alright, Alcantara. So this Gary Sanchez is right here, and I am going to go ahead and call it that this is going to be a short print variation. I don't know if it's going to be SP, SSP, but yeah, that's definitely going to be a variation. Nice. Don Mattingly, another Topps Choice. So that whole set is like different reprint versions. And Goldschmidt is there. Alright, last one, and then we'll check out the extra goodies. Yeah, that Topps Choice is ridiculously nice. Alright, we have another hollow foil of Lindor. A gold Hector Neris. Decade's Best, Jeff Bagwell. Ooh, I wonder if Piazza is in this set. Shane Bieber. The Biebs. Biebster. Alright. Yeah. I need to see what Piazza is in here. So this is the stack of inserts and autographs and game used and relic, whatever. That's all that. Alright, let's dig into these and see who we get. Starting off with Mookie Theus. Rookie, actually. Good look at Arenado and Keston Yura. Look for special cards in Topps Series 1 and 2. Oh yeah. Topps Silver Pack promotion June 10th. The collectors purchasing a Series 2 hobby box will receive a silver pack of with the Mojo refractors. So yeah. Pack 2 has nice Bo Bichette rookie. I like it. Ooh, and Mike Trout and DeGrom and a Mookie Betts blue. I don't think I've ever pulled a parallel out of this. Numbered to 150. Sweet. Alright. Last one. Turkey Red 2020 oversized box loader topper thingy. Let's see. I can open this without damaging the goods. Oh, it's going to be Cody Bellinger. I'm okay with that. Nice. Again, I know I've said it before, there's not a lot of people that like oversized cards, but if you collect somebody like Bellinger, then this is a sweet little item to have. I'm a fan. So that's it. This video is crazy long. I'm going to shut up. If I do have any other like crazy good short prints, I'll let you know, but I think that Gary Sanchez might be it. Woo! Like I said, I'll have the retail for you soon. I'm still on the fence about a regular hobby box, but I'll probably do it, so I'll have that for you soon. Everybody take care. Love ya. Bye.